What's up, guys? Welcome back to another MotoJay video. I know it's been a minute. I don't actually know when this video is going to come up. It might be up, like the first video up. I might have a moto vlog up. Doesn't matter. I got a little carried away, okay? And let me show you what I'm talking about and eat my Rice Krispie treat, okay? Just bear with me. Also, I don't know why I have sunglasses on my head still. It's freaking dark out. It's been dark out for forever. But anyway, let me show you what's going on. As I'm finishing, ignore my prime addiction. As I've been updating the garage, I was getting the bikes out. That one, this one was super easy. I just emptied old gas out, put new gas in, boom. She's perfect. Today, fucking cat. Today, I was getting all the bikes out. The kids were out. I was getting a little bit overzealous. I'll put some clips in here. 1 down, 5 up. Oh, now you're scaring me. Huh? Now you're scaring me. I said concrete. I'm scared to turn. Hell, Jess was even riding that bike. But I was getting these out. And the kids like that one the most. And I don't disagree. I like that one the most too. She's in rough condition, but she'll get there. And I started tinkering and started pulling. And then before I knew it, it was 9:30, which is right now. So I'm gonna make a little update video on what I've been doing. As you can see, I've really torn into this thing. So, first things first, I tore off seat and some of the side fairings. I put the battery back in, connected the battery to my car. Bike turned on. First time this bike has turned on electronically in 3 or 4 years, probably. No problem. So I like that. Good sign. I liked it. I don't know why this is just, that's why it's connected. Put the battery back in it. Probably should take the battery back out of it since I'm working on it, but I forgot. So put that in. I pulled this apart. This goes across here. Hold the battery down, stuff like that. I pulled the tank out, as you can tell. This bolt here, which is this one here, which runs across this when it's placed, placed this way on it. Took that out. Detach all of this, which is that. Come on, focus. That right there attaches to this, which is a little pinch clip. Focus. Which is just a little pinch clip, as you can see. Pulled this off, even though I should probably take this off because this is a part of this, but that came from, where did that come from? Oh boy. Okay, wait, I lied. This right there is this. This is that, which when I was looking at it, this is probably not good for your bike, but I did this, and as you can see, it's all super gunky. As you can see by this cloth right here, it's all out there. So my next idea was pull the whole gas tank off. Started pulling this off. Boy, these were in there tough. They have like a Loctite on them. I don't know if you're supposed to Loctite them, but those fuckers were not coming off. Go back on there. Go back on. Thank you. So I pulled that off, pulled this off, and it's a whole bunch of that in there, which, as you can see, isn't good. It's not good. Like, I don't know if you can see in there. I don't really have any other light, do I? Do I have any other lights in here? No. Take my word for it. It's not great, but it ain't bad. Around this edge right here, it's kind of, you can kind of hear that. So I'm pretty sure on the docket is figure out a way to clean this out. I've seen some videos of people use some different types of things, toilet bowl cleaner, some other stuff. I'm going to look into it a little bit more. I'm going to tear this apart now in a little bit, probably just because I want to see what's going on the inside of it. I'm probably going to buy a whole new one of this just because this looks like it's seen better days. I mean, it's still leaking gas. Okay, really cool, fun, love that. So probably gonna buy a new one of that. Where's this coming from? Is it this way? Oh yeah, still right in there. Okay, cool. I might tear that apart now just because I'm kind of curious about what's inside of there. Pulled that off. I also pulled off the air filter. That was fucking brutal. Washed that with a hose. Probably buy another one of those instead. But what I'm doing now is I'm currently taking off these, pulling that out, take that off, and try to get this whole the air box off. We'll see what happens. I don't know how far I'm gonna get into it. It is already almost 10, so we'll see. But I have some Brian 636 on the TV, tearing apart some bikes. The 65 is still tore apart. This hasn't ran since I bought it, and that needs a carb clean. Ooh, maybe put some seafoam in that, and maybe that'd work. I don't know, but we have projects. That one's good. Probably could use a little bit of love, but it runs. These ones we're working on it. So we are back. It is currently mid 60s in northern Illinois, and moto-vlogs will be coming back soon, or they might already be out. I don't know. You can tell I've been working on the bike. I'm not too sure, but I have the helmet sitting there. Need to clean it up, get the GoPro going, stuff like that. So, but yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of work on the bike. I got my food stuff here. This fridge doesn't work. That fridge does. But yeah, we're gonna get back into it. I'm gonna pull that apart and see what we're looking at here. All right, so let's see here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws there. They say there are 7s, so keep that in mind. Also going to need to take off this one right here, which is just another orange connector like that on there I'm going to get to right now. I'm taking this off as well, I think. Just moving that out of the way. Not too sure what it is or what it does, but oh boy, she's on there, that's for sure. Oh, got it. I'm not sure what that is, but works for me. Pull that off. That goes down to something. That's for sure. Definitely goes somewhere. Come on now. Don't fight me. Don't fight me. There we go. Come on. Got her. Oh, there's gas in there. Something came leaking out. Is it in here? Must have been this pipe right here. I don't know where it came out because I don't see it. Was I just seeing things? No, it's wet. That's not great. Oh well, we'll be all right. While I pull you out. All right, well, I could not find any videos on how to help me out here, so. Oh! Easy. Well, I don't look too bad, do it? Is it supposed to look good? It's supposed to look bad? I don't know. What's holding this in here still? Looks pretty good in there though. I don't see a whole lot of gunk. Looks pretty clean. Makes me feel better. But I really don't know where to go from here with this exactly. I don't really know how to get this thing out from here. But yeah, I don't really know. I don't know what's holding it in there right now. I don't know. Honestly, I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna do a little bit of research on it and I'll figure it out because I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm kind of getting to right where I don't know what the fuck I'm doing anymore. Let's be honest, it's been that way a long time ago. I haven't known what I was doing for a while. But, you know, I'm on the wrong side, I can't see because I have no light. So, I don't know, might stop there for a minute and see what we're gonna do. Not too sure. Probably gonna hop over to this now and see what I can do with this. So, let's see. So what can I pull apart here? You're attached. You're attached. I don't even see where I can pull anything apart. Oh, right here I can, I guess. This I can. Where's the tiny screwdriver? So I'm going to this. Looks like some screws I can take apart here. So let's see if I can do that real quick. That was quite easy. Gunk all up in it. I don't know how you take this thing apart. How do you get inside? Look at that. Where are you taking it apart at? I'm thinking this screw maybe. Shoot some WD-40 in there and see if I can get it loosened up a little bit. Now I need a tiny screwdriver. That's way too big. Little tool. Let's see what I got over here. Ooh, it's kind of stripped already. Kind of stripped. What can I do? What can I do? I don't think it should be on too tight. Get some needle nose on it and just turn it myself. Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's so like old and eroded. Oy. Yikes. That ain't spinning at all. what the fuck that thing is. Got it. Got one. Maybe that screwdriver I was using is just garbage, maybe. It's an absolute possibility. If it gets it right here, we'll know. No. Oh yeah, got him. Just like that. There we go. These two things are gnarly. So like I just sat there and wiggled it for a bit. Probably gonna take those off as well. Probably gonna take these two off as well. Probably is what I'm gonna need to do here. Come on now. Don't fight me. Not necessary. Talk about rusty. Definitely buying. Whoa, where'd you come from? Definitely going to be buying a new one of these. This thing is rusted to hell. This side move it all. I'm being a bit more rough with it than I would if I was trying to save it. Let's be honest. But it's a good thing about not worrying about saving it. You don't have to be so careful with it. And kind of just get a good idea what I'm working with here. There we go. There we go. Oh my God. Good Lord. I'm embarrassed to show you guys this. Let's see here. That is the color of what came out of there. That is black. I mean, absolutely disgusting. No wonder. I wonder why it wasn't running good. I really wonder. Goodness. Just everything is crystallized and wow. I mean, I don't know what it's supposed to look like I can almost guarantee not like this, though. I can almost guarantee it ain't supposed to look like this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, that'll make your bike run bad, I'm going to assume. Hey. Like I said, I don't know if that's super bad, but I know it can't be good. And all the videos I've seen, that's supposed to be a yellow thing. And that sure don't look yellow to me. I'm probably going to call this wraps for the night. It's probably pushing midnight right now. So, we're going to end the video here, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this can be helpful to you. And we're going to be ordering some parts in the near future. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.